Here we have the Internorm HF410. Now the benefit from the 410 over the 510 is that it can come in all studio, home pure, home soft and ambiente, and the ambiente is what we've got on display here at the moment. Internorm can be used in a whole variety of projects, and here is a perfect example of making a mock sliding sash window. Here we've got a wide transom and a slim Georgian bar, trying to make it look like an original sash window. Where Internorm is brilliant and can go into existing sash window properties is because of its wider outer frame, it can still be sat in check, which is typically what you'd have with the traditional sliding sash window. The benefit of Internorm over, say, a typical sliding sash window is obviously the increased thermal efficiency and the improved acoustics that you would get. The Georgian bar details are very flexible. Here we've just got a wider mid-rail and a slim Georgian bar, but we can do it with a variety of mixed slim bars or thicker bars, subject to what windows we're trying to copy or the aesthetics of the property. Given the Internorm is an open-in window, you can conceal a lot of this outer frame here that we've got on display. That can either be sat in check in an existing traditional property, or in a modern property, you typically would render or clad over this detail. Because we've got the ambiente profile on display, these have a rounded Georgian bar on them, but when you go for home pure or you go for studio, you can also get these with a much more square Georgian bar detail as well. With the HF system, although you can get a range of timber finishes, you can also just go for a plain white or any RAL colour of choice as well. Although the UPVC on the inside is very impressive these days and almost looks identical to timber, one of the key factors you can look at when trying to tell if it is KF or HF is in the joints here in the corner. You can see this is a square joint versus a welded joint that you would get on the UPVC. Now this is a very small detail, so subject to your preference, this can be somewhere where you're happy to save the money, but if you're truly into your timber, then that's quite a key detail that you would notice between the two windows. Internorm offer a range of keyed and keyless handles. The one we have on display here is keyless, but I would say most of the handles we do in the UK do include a key on them for security reasons. Same as all the other Internorm windows, this is a solely tilt and turn system. Here we've got quite a large turning space. Again, this would primarily be for cleaning the window. And then when you want it to ventilate, you just put it in the tilted position and then you can tilt the window here as well.